Welcome everybody in my new class. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Today I shall discuss on phrases and clauses, though they are not in your syllabus directly, but they are very important for changing sentences and completing sentences. Dear students, let us look at the following sentences. Come at once. He came to see me. She was at the point of death. The groups of words written in italics in the examples on the above do not make complete sense and do not contain any finite verb expressed or understood, but are used as single parts of speech. Such groups of words are called phrases. A phrase is a group of words that doesn't make a complete sense and doesn't contain a finite verb expressed or understood, but is used as a single part of a speech. Phrases are of 6 kinds. They are noun phrase, adjective phrase, adverbial phrase, prepositional phrase, and conjunctional phrase and interjectional phrase. Dear students, let's discuss the kinds of phrases one by one elaborately. A noun phrase does the work of a noun. For example, to swim is good exercise. I do not know how to swim. Here, to swim is used as noun phrase. An adjective phrase does the work of an adjective. For example, he gave me a chain of gold. Number 2, he is without fear. Here, of gold and without fear are used as adjective phrase. An adverbial phrase does the work of an adverb. For example, he worked with care. He came at a great speed. Here, with care and at a great speed are the example of adverbial phrase. A prepositional phrase does the work of a preposition. For example, he stood in front of me. Number 2, he is at the point of death. Here, in front of and at the point of are the examples of prepositional phrase. A conjunctional phrase does the work of a conjunction. For example, come as soon as you can. Number 2, no sooner had he left the place than the fire broke out. Here, as soon as and no sooner had are the examples of conjunctional phrase. An interjectional phrase does the work of interjection. For example, what a pity, by Allah. Here, what a pity and by Allah are the examples of interjectional phrase. Now clauses. Dear students, let us look at the following sentences. I know that he is ill. The boy who did it is my brother. I went after he had gone. The group of words written in italics in the examples above contain subjects he, who, he respectively and predicates is ill, did it, had gone respectively of their own, but form parts of a larger sentence. Such groups of words are called clauses. A clause is a group of words having a subject and a predicate of its own, but forming part of sentence. Clauses are of 3 kinds. They are principal clause, subordinate clause, and coordinate clause. Let us discuss some clause elaborately. A clause that is dependent on another clause is called a subordinate clause or dependent clause. For example, I know where he is. I cannot do this unless you help me. Here, where he is, and unless you help me are the example of subordinate clause. The clause on which the subordinate clause depends is called the principal clause. For example, I know where he is. I cannot do this unless you help me. Here, I know and I cannot do this are the examples of principal clauses. When two clauses of same nature is joined by a coordinating conjunction is called coordinate clause. For example, I sent him a letter and he replied. Here, I sent him a letter and he replied are the examples of coordinate clause. He is not only a singer but also a cricketer. Here, he is a singer, he is a cricketer are the examples of coordinate clause. Subordinate clauses are of three kinds. They are noun clause, adjective clause, and adverbial clause. Dear student, let's discuss clauses elaborately. A noun clause does the work of a noun. For example, that he stole the pen is clear. Here, that he stole the pen is used as a noun clause. An adjective clause does the work of an adjective. For example, this is the boy who stood fast. Here, who stood fast is used as adjective clause. An adverbial clause does the work of an adverb. For example, I met Habib when I was at school. Here, when I was at school is an example of an adverbial clause. That's all about phrases and clause. Now individual work. Name the underlined phrases. Number 1, his going home is uncertain. Number 2, I am free from blame. Number 3, I want it at this moment. Number 4, he could not come on account of illness. Number 5, I shall come back as soon as I can. Write the answer in your exercise book. Answer. Number 1 is an example of noun phrase. Number 2, adjective phrase. Number 3, adverbial phrase. Number 4, prepositional phrase. Number 5, conjunctional phrase. Now homework. Name the underlined clauses. Everybody likes him because he is very simple. Number 2, unless you work hard, you will fail. Number 3, that he is ill is known to all. Number 4, I know when he will come. Number 5, he said that he would go. Thank you so much to join with me. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.